telephones have all been brandishing a comparative search for some time now, and the XA2 Ultra doesn't change much. Regardless, you have that enormous bezel straddling the show, and the sharp corners remain. A marginally adjusted back does at any rate help taking care of fairly, however you'll be utilizing two hands to hold this gadget more often than not at any rate. A unique mark scanner sits on the back. This will be empowered in the US, as well. In addition to there's a USB-C port on the base and earphone jack on the best. Sony fans will no uncertainty welcome the multi-arrange screen secure for rapidly pulling the camera. Yet I weep over the absence of any kind of water protection, so the genuine offering purpose of this Xperia XA2 Ultra is the gigantic show, which is an irregularity at the reasonable moderate cost. It's a brilliant and beautiful 1080p LCD board that seems as though it will be extraordinary for those utilization who truly use their telephones for media and gaming. On the back of the telephone is a 23-megapixel sensor that will shoot 4K video. However, it's truly around the front that things get fascinating. Sony has popped two cameras here. One is a 16-megapixel camera with optical picture adjustment and the other is a 8-megapixel camera with a wide 120°C. Early introductions. The Sony XA2 Ultra will be a specialty gadget, however it's one of the main alternatives available in the event that you need an extra large screen Android telephone without using up every last cent. First impressions. The Sony XA2 Ultra will be a niche device, but it's one of the only options on the market if you want a big screen Android phone without breaking the bank. Keeping the phone ticking along is a Snapdragon 630 CPU, 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. This should provide enough grunt for the majority of day-to-day tasks. There's also a 3850 mAh battery packed inside the XA2. Sony's Xperia XA2 Ultra hands-on.